Your next car could be the 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is the larger four-door version of the iconic Jeep Wrangler. Known for its rugged design and unmatched off-road capabilities, this model offers increased interior space for passengers and cargo. Key features include a powerful engine, advanced 4x4 systems, removable top and doors, high ground clearance, and a robust suspension system. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: satellite radio, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, keyless start, backup camera, 6-speed MT, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, locking limited slip differential. The Wrangler Unlimited is the perfect blend of performance, versatility, and style, catering to both adventure enthusiasts and families looking for a reliable, fun ride.